Ice cream lovers, welcome to this session of Scoop School. I'm going to say it's part 3 of a 3 series, first of which being we received a box basically in the mail of ice cream and shake product in order to make shakes. We did a bit of unboxing. Thank you very much, Andia and the crew out there in North Carolina. Last video we made the double stuffed Oreos. This one we're working on the torched s'mores. Let's kind of go down here to the kit that you get. Crumbs, Graham. My dad's name's Graham. We never called him Graham. They also give you one of these beautiful mason jars. So we're going to dress the top of this mason jar. They'll give you a little bit of a tub here. Again, everything's branded very nicely. I'm still yet to find out whether that's Andia's actual signature. Take a little bit of this icing, and again, pro tip, I like to kind of basically hit it from the top here, all the way around. Try not to get it too far down the glass, but enough so it's going to grab some of the graham crumbs as you go around there. It can be as thick as you like, So we'll take our graham crumbs here. Now again, they suggest don't roll it in there. It's more about pressing the rim down in the product here. So just a nice kind of dark press there. Make sure you get all of that icing picking up the bits and pieces. And there we go. Looks pretty good in and of itself. So that's ready to go now. This is kind of the first section. We're going to go over now to our blender. Now we could use a jug blender. Again, I think a jug blender is a little bit more appropriate rather than a spindle blender. Remember, this is for customers at home too. Look, you can make one of these shakes in your store. I think Andia's do a really good job of promoting some of these freak shakes, unique shakes. And in this particular, we're going to put 1 whole pint of Andia's double dark chocolate ice cream. Look at this. Small batch, handcrafted Andia's. So we're going to pop the whole pint in our swirl freeze blender here. Just got it out of the freezer, still a little firm, but the swirl freeze will be able to take care of it, as Mr. Anthony Parinello promises. We'll drop that in there, make sure we don't have anything that's outstanding. Now we've also put in here, you need 6 ounces of milk. Now we've made a shake base here. This is half milk, half ice cream mix. So we're going to pour that in here and basically use the swirl freeze to make a shake out of this. We're going to grab the container that's ready to go and we're going to put in here. And then it's a matter of 1, 2, 3 swirl freeze, push it down there. Now it's a very, very solid process here on this swirl freeze. It'll blend just about everything. So we'll bring it down a little bit, open up the bottom, and just watch this goodness here as it fills up our shake. A nice thick one. We'll bring it up to there. Oh, we went a little bit over the top there. That's fine, that's fine. It's going to be okay. Give you this whipped topping in the box. Don't be concerned if it's coming over here a little bit. They recommend 3 good swirls. Again, the drizzle over the top. Look, it's part of the fun, I say. Now we're going to prepare our garnish. They give us 3 of these wooden skewers, straws going everywhere, and open up our marshmallow pack here. Now in the pack they give you enough for 2 of these shakes. So we're just going to do 1 here and 1 for the gram. So we'll take 3 of these marshmallows out. We're going to skewer them. 1 over here, 1 down here, and the last one at the back. They're kind of going a little bit crazy. And we're going to torch them. One of my favorite kitchen utensils. Nice torch on that marshmallow. You may need to blow on them a little bit if they catch fire. It's all right. It's part of the fun, kids. Part of the fun. We'll try and make this one perfection. Oh. They'll also give you a little drizzle. Hey, they'll give you a little chocolate drizzle. Have a look at this, will you? Absolutely 100% beautiful. This is the torched s'more shake from Andia's. We're going to pop a straw in the middle. and then delicious. The best part of my job, ladies and gentlemen. Oh my gosh. It's the most delectable thing you'll ever drink. Now, again, I'm not overly concerned. You probably would want to put this on a dish, but this kind of overpouring, smothering process here is all a part of the decadent process of making a shake like this. So, Andia's #1 in our group. Hey, sorry about that spatter on the camera a little bit. Look, this is live action ice cream making. These things happen. This is a commercial kitchen. We're teaching people how to make ice cream, make shakes. It's bound to happen. Thanks, Andia. Thanks for tuning in. If you make shakes like this, if you want to send us a little kit, we'll make your stuff too. That's all we have. Leave a comment down in the section below. We'll put all of the links to Andia and all of these shakes on there. Keep on scooping. See you in the next one.